Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets from A to Z in capital letters and numbers from 1 to 10. So let's get started. So first I'll take purple color and write the alphabets. So this is A for apple, A for apple. Next I'll take orange color and write the letter B for boy, B for boy. Gray color, C for cat, C for cat. Pink color, D for dog, D for dog. Dark green color, E for elephant, E for elephant. Blue color, F for fish, F for fish. Yellow color, G for gate, G for gate. Purple color, H for house, H for house. Red color, I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Black color, J for jug, J for jug. Brown color, K for kite, K for kite. Red color, L for lion, L for lion. Dark blue color, M for monkey, M for monkey. Yellow color, N for nose, N for nose. Orange color, O for orange, O for orange. Gray color, P for peacock, P for peacock. Dark green color, Q for queen, Q for queen. Blue color, R for rabbit, R for rabbit. Orange color, S for sun, S for sun. Yellow color, T for tiger, T for tiger. Gray color, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Red color, V for vegetables, V for vegetables. Pink color, W for watermelon, W for watermelon. Green color, X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Brown color, Y for yacht, Y for yacht. Dark green color, Z for zebra, Z for zebra. So here we have completed our alphabets from A to Z. Now we'll write numbers from 1 to 10. Starting with the color green. This is light green color, okay? So this is number 1, O-N-E, 1. This is number 1, O-N-E. Next I'll take orange color and write number 2. This is number 2, T-W-O, 2. Next I'll take yellow color and write number 3. This is number 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3, T-H-R-E-E. Next I'll take dark blue color and write number 4. This is number 4, F-O-U-R, 4, F-O-U-R. Next I'll take gray color and write number 5. This is number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Blue color, this is blue color. Number 6, S-I-X, 6. This is number 6. Dark green color. Number 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Brown color. This is number 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Pink color. 9, N-I-N-E. This is number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And finally red color. This is number 10, 1 and 0. 10, T-E-N, 10. So here we have completed our numbers as well. So that's it for today kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.